Okay, let's talk about what you need to do if you need to travel while your child is still potty training. First of all, just relax. Don't worry about accidents. Your child will have accidents, and that's okay. It's really important that you continue to have your child wear underwear. If you're concerned about an accident while he's on the airplane or in the car, you can put a diaper over the underwear to prevent a flood of the seat or the floor. And then you want to make sure that you have the rewards with you. So bring a variety of different items that your child is highly motivated by so that you can remind your child, remember, every time you go pee in the potty, you can have a candy or you can have your favorite toy. And remind him what he needs to do. When you need to go pee, you need to sit on the potty. And then remind him again, when you pee in the potty, then you can get your reward. Remember, the potty training is a life skill, and you don't want it to interfere with everyday activities. So if you have to travel, it's okay if your child is still potty training, and it's okay if he has accidents.